Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Podcast.
Hi, I'm Lucy.
And I'm Tom. Glad to be here.
If someone ever said, please introduce yourself, and your mind went completely blank, this episode is for you.
Wait, that moment, all eyes on you, waiting for words, that's one of the most stressful moments in any language.
Most people don't struggle because their English is bad. They struggle because they never built a simple introduction, ready to use.
Exactly. Today, you will learn how to introduce yourself clearly and confidently in almost any situation.
A classroom, a job interview, a new team at work, even online, on a video call. One flexible skill, many situations.
One time, on my very first day of a new job, my manager said, "Introduce yourself to the team." I just said, "Hi, I'm Tom," and froze completely.
That silence after just one sentence feels endless, doesn't it?
It really does. But today, that will never happen to you or to me again.
I had a similar moment on my first day teaching a new class. I said my name and then just stood there, completely blank. We give you a simple formula, plus real examples for building your own introduction in minutes.
One formula, endless situations.
Okay, ready?
Here is the formula. Remember 3 small parts: open, share, and invite.
Open, share, invite. That is the whole formula.
We will build this step by step with real, practical examples.
And stick around because near the end, we'll show you how to shrink this into just 10 seconds for quick situations.
Let's start with step 1.
Step 1. Open with a greeting and your name.
This is the easiest, simplest part. Just a warm greeting plus your name.
You can say, "Hi, I'm Lucy," or "Hello, my name is Tom."
For a more formal situation, you can say, "Good morning, everyone. My name is Tom."
Wait, this is important. Say your name clearly and maybe even slightly slower than usual so people actually catch it the first time.
There's nothing worse than saying your name once, quickly, and then spending the rest of the conversation being called the wrong name. If your name is difficult for others in English, you can also add, "You can call me," plus a simpler version or nickname.
Let's practice together. Say your own opening out loud right now. Hi, I'm...
Good job. You just opened your very own introduction clearly and confidently.
Before step 2, one small tip. Stand up straight or sit up straight and smile, even on a video call.
Your body language speaks before your words even start.
A confident posture and a genuine smile can make even a simple, "Hi, I'm Lucy," feel warm and welcoming.
Great tip. Now, let's continue.
Step 2. Share something relevant about yourself.
This is the main part, the actual information about who you are.
What you share depends completely on the situation. In a classroom, you might share your country and why you're learning English.
In a job setting, you might share your role and a little about your experience.
In a casual group, you might share your hobby or something fun about yourself.
You can say, "I'm from Brazil and I'm learning English to travel more." Or, "I work in marketing and I've been at this company for 2 years."
Wait, here's the mistake you probably make: sharing too much information all at once and losing your listener's attention.
1 or 2 clear sentences are always better than 5 confusing ones.
Think of it like a highlight, not a full life story. You can always share more later once the conversation continues naturally.
What do you usually share, Lucy, in a new group?
I usually say, "I'm Lucy. I'm a student and I study art." Simple and clear.
I usually say, "I'm Tom. I teach English online, and I love this job." Also short and easy to follow.
Let's practice. Say one sentence sharing something relevant about yourself, right now.
Great job. Now your introduction has real, useful content, not just your name.
This is the part people actually remember and connect with long after the conversation ends. Quick reminder before we continue, our formula was open, share, and invite.
Each part builds naturally on the one before it. Opening earns attention. Sharing gives real information.
And inviting, our final step, turns a simple introduction into a real conversation.
Good. Let's continue to step 3.
Step 3. Invite the other person into the conversation.
This step is often forgotten, but it makes such a huge difference.
You can end your introduction with a small question or an invitation to respond.
What about you? Simple and works almost everywhere.
Or, I'd love to hear about you too. A warm, open invitation.
Or, in a work setting, I'm looking forward to working with all of you.
Wait, this is important. Without this step, your introduction feels like a monologue, not a real human exchange.
With it, the other person feels invited, not just informed.
It signals that you're genuinely interested in them too, not just focused on presenting yourself. Listen to a short, full example. Hi, I'm Lucy. I'm a student, studying art. What about you?
Hi, Lucy. I'm Tom. I teach English online. Nice to meet you too.
See how naturally that flows? A real, small conversation from just 3 simple steps.
Step 4. Adjust your introduction for a job interview, more formally.
Job interviews often need a slightly more structured, professional introduction.
You can say, "Good morning. My name is Tom. I have 3 years of experience in customer service, and I'm excited about this opportunity."
Notice, this includes your name, your relevant experience, and your genuine interest in the role.
You can also mention one key strength. I'm known for being reliable and a strong communicator.
Wait, this is important. Keep it under 30 seconds in a job interview. Interviewers appreciate short, focused answers.
A long, rambling introduction can actually work against you, even with great English.
Practice your job interview introduction out loud a few times before the actual interview. It builds real, natural confidence. Lucy, step 5. Adjust your introduction for a presentation or public speaking.
Presentations often need a slightly different structure, focused on your topic or purpose.
You can say, "Hello everyone, I'm Lucy, and today I'll be talking about art and creativity."
This tells the audience immediately who you are and what to expect next.
You can also briefly mention your connection to the topic. I've been painting for over 10 years.
This builds quick credibility without needing a long, detailed biography.
The audience only needs enough context to trust you and follow along from the very first sentence. Lucy, step 6. Shrink your introduction into just 10 seconds for quick situations.
Sometimes you only have a few seconds in a busy meeting or a quick hallway moment.
For this, use a mini version, just your name and one key detail.
Hi, I'm Tom from the marketing team. Simple, fast, and complete.
Or, hi, I'm Lucy, the new art teacher. 10 words, but everything essential is there.
Wait, this is important. This mini version isn't lazy, it's efficient. Different moments need different lengths.
Practice both versions, the full one and this quick one, so you're ready for any situation.
Having both versions ready removes the panic of deciding in the moment what to actually say.
Tom, step 7. Introducing yourself on a video call or online meeting.
Online introductions have their own small challenges, like unclear audio or awkward pauses.
Start by confirming people can see and hear you. Hi everyone, can you hear me okay?
Then use our same formula. Hi, I'm Tom, joining from the marketing team. Excited to be here today.
Wait, this is important. On video calls, pause slightly longer than usual after speaking, in case of small delays.
This avoids talking over someone or creating an awkward, overlapping silence.
You can also use the chat box to add your name or a quick written introduction alongside speaking.
This small habit helps people remember your name, especially in larger, busier meetings.
And don't forget to check your camera angle and lighting before an important call. A clear, well-lit face adds to your overall confidence too. Lucy, step 8. Put it all together. Now let's build one full, complete introduction using our whole formula.
Listen to my example for a new job. Hi everyone, I'm Tom. I've been working in online education for 5 years, and I'm really excited to join this team. I'd love to hear more about what everyone's working on.
Now listen to my example for a language class. Hello, I'm Lucy from Canada. I'm learning English because I want to travel and make new friends around the world. What about you? Why are you learning English?
See, we used many small parts, but it still feels natural, warm, and genuinely confident.
Nothing feels stiff. Nothing feels like a memorized script.
That is the perfect balance between prepared and truly authentic. Preparation doesn't make you sound fake, it actually helps your real personality come through more clearly.
Lucy, step 9. Practice time.
Tom, now it's your turn.
Lucy, answer these questions in your head or write them down.
Tom, question 1. How would you open your introduction? With a greeting and your name.
Lucy, question 2. What is one relevant detail you'd share about yourself?
Question 3. How would you invite the other person into the conversation?
Question 4. How would you adjust this for a formal job interview?
Question 5. Can you shrink your whole introduction into just 10 seconds?
Question 6. How would you introduce yourself on a video call or online meeting? Now, put your answers together using our formula.
Open, share, invite. Say it out loud, right now, with real confidence.
This is truly the best practice. Speaking your introduction again and again until it feels completely natural.
So don't be shy at all. Try it right now, after this episode.
Let's review everything one more time, very quickly.
Open with a warm greeting and your name.
Share 1 or 2 relevant details about yourself.
Invite the other person into the conversation.
Adjust your length and tone for the situation, formal or casual.
And keep a short, 10-second version ready for quick moments.
And on video calls, confirm you're heard and pause a little longer than usual.
6 small parts, 1 flexible, confident introduction for any situation.
But remember, you only truly need 3. Open, share, and invite.
The rest, add slowly as you feel more confident and more comfortable.
Maybe today you only practice the opening and 1 shared detail. That is perfectly okay.
Tomorrow, maybe you add the invitation too. Slowly, it all becomes automatic.
Learning a language is not a race. It's a walk, 1 small step at a time.
I really, truly love that idea.
Before we finish, let's talk about why this skill matters so much.
A good introduction happens at the very start of almost every new relationship, job, or class.
It shapes how people see you from the very first moment, before anything else is said or done.
A clear, confident introduction opens doors to friendships, opportunities in real connection.
I've seen it firsthand in my own teaching career, opening doors I never expected, just because I introduced myself clearly, warmly, and with real confidence.
It's so true.
This one small skill, practiced well, quietly changes how people experience meeting you for the very first time.
And first impressions, whether we like it or not, often shape the entire relationship or opportunity that follows. So here is your challenge right now.
pause this video
And say your own full introduction out loud using our formula.
open, share, invite.
Go on, try it now, out loud, with real confidence. We'll wait.
Did you do it? Great job. I'm truly proud of you.
That's it. You just introduced yourself clearly and confidently in English. That's a valuable skill you'll use over and over again for the rest of your life. Well, I think our time is almost finished for today.
Time goes fast when the topic is this useful.
It really does. This was such a genuinely practical episode.
It was. Before we go, we have one more small favor to ask.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to English Podcast.
And give this episode a big thumbs up, a like.
It really helps other learners find our podcast and finally feel truly ready the next time someone says, introduce yourself.
And please share it with a friend who always freezes completely in that exact moment.
We want to help as many people as we can, one confident introduction at a time.
Because that very first moment, meeting someone new, truly deserves your best, most genuine self in any language you speak. And now for your homework and our question of the day.
Go to the comments section below.
Comment below, write your own full introduction using our formula right now.
For example, hi, I'm learning English because... What about you?
You can write anything you want, just make it simple and real.
We would truly, sincerely love to read your comments and meet all of you in a small way.
It will be so much fun seeing everyone's own unique introductions.
Every single comment shows real, genuine progress, one confident sentence at a time. Thank you all so very much for listening today.
Thank you all. It was truly a genuine pleasure as always. We are cheering for every one of you.
Stay safe and keep practicing, one confident, brave introduction at a time.
We will be back soon with another fun episode.
Next time you need to introduce yourself, don't freeze. Open, share, invite.
That's your formula forever.
Goodbye for now.
Bye everyone.
Bye now, Lucy.
Bye now, Tom.